All right, Heavy, today you have a very hard lesson to study.
So easy for me.
It's not easy. Okay, it's about science. Oh my God. Number one, can you see? Can you see the
Cycle.
screen?
Cycle.
Can you see? Okay, cycle. Good. Đó là một chu trình, một vòng tuần hoàn. It's a cycle. Okay. Okay. You were born and then you die one day. That is a cycle. Okay.
Mà tìm cycle nào nó tốt đẹp tí đi tìm một cái cycle verb.
Well, that's an easy cycle for you to remember. Okay.
Cycle như
Like when
cái
I
này
was
xuân hạ
born,
thu đông.
and then when I was born, and I got older, and older, and then one day I died. So that was a
Mà tìm
cycle.
cái vòng tuần hoàn nào nó nghe
And
trong
then I
sáng
was born
tốt đẹp một tí.
again. I was born again. Okay.
Suốt ngày nghĩ về cái vớ vẩn.
This one.
Wait.
Evaporation.
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 Evaporation. Okay, good.
Evaporation.
Evaporation. These words are very hard to remember because they are very long. Okay, just try to remember that.
Water
if you
vapor.
can. Water vapor.
Water vapor.
Water vapor.
Water vapor.
All right. So can you tell me what is the first one to make rain? What is the first part to make rain?
I don't know.
So first of all, you see the water vapor from the river or the beach or the ocean. Water vapor, okay? And then
Oh, vapor.
evaporation. Yes or no? Evaporation. All right. Evaporation up to the air. Next one.
Condensation.
Condensation.
What?
Condensation. Oh, what are you doing? Wait. Hey.
Condensation.
Condensation. Condensation.
Condensation.
Condensation.
Condensation.
So evaporation, sự bốc hơi, sau đó nó sẽ bị ngưng động. Concentration. Do you know why? It is transferred into the concentration from evaporation. Why? See, evaporation, water, evaporation from water in the river, from river or the beach or the ocean, and then condensation. Why? Why does condensation happen?
Because vật lý gánh cong lưng.
Why does condensation happen?
Because do ông trời muốn thế.
It is cold or hot?
Cold.
Because it is cold, okay? Because it is in the sky, it's very high, and the higher it gets, the colder it is, okay? So the water is very cold, all right? So it is turned into concentration, okay? Next one.
Precipitation.
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 As I told you, these words are very hard. Okay. Precipitation. It's not even easy for me as well.
No,
Precipitation.
Precipitation.
All right, that means it rains. Okay. Collection.
Collection.
Good. Okay. Now, can you say the words again? Number one.
What?
Why am I waiting for you? Come on. Cycle.
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Okay.
Water vapor.
Water vapor.
Water vapor. Good.
Water vapor.
Condensation.
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 Precipitation.
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 Okay.
Collection.
Collection.
Vậy hôm bữa thầy đã dặn con là những cái chữ mà có duration này trọng âm nó sẽ rơi ở đâu? Nhớ không?
Tờ.
Những cái chữ mà có duration này nè thì trọng âm rơi ở đâu? Rơi phía
Phía
sau nó hay phía trước nó?
phía sau.
Phía sau nó còn cái gì nữa đâu mà rơi?
Phía trước.
Hay quá ha. Nhìn nào. Alright. Trọng âm sẽ rơi vào phía trước nó, vì vậy con có chữ này đọc là condensation. Condensation. Vậy nó mấy âm tiết? Condensation. 4 âm tiết. Station nó nằm ở 4, vậy trọng âm rơi vào bằng mấy?
2.
Trời, phía trước nó mà. Có cách đâu.
3.
Đúng rồi. Có cách đâu. Có cách ở giữa đâu mà 2. Next one. Precipitation. Precipitation. Mấy trọng âm? Precipitation. 5. Vậy station nó nằm ở phần 5, vậy thì trọng âm rơi ở đâu? 4, đúng rồi. Đó chính là quy tắc đọc trọng âm của duration ha. Mình có thể lưu ý. Okay. Okay, now it's time for you to type it down in the chat box. Are you ready to remember that?
Easy.
Cycle. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Okay, so this one is
Cycle.
very long.
Evaporation.
Evaporation. 1, 2, 3. Evaporation. Oh, you are typing very fast. Next one.
Evaporation. Water vapor.
Water vapor. 1, 2, 3, go. Water vapor. Good. Next
Water
one.
vapor. Condensation.
Condensation. 1, 2, 3, go. Condensation. Good. Next one. This one is
Condensation.
harder.
Precipitation.
Precipitation. Precipitation. Good.
Collection.
Collection. Go. Excellent. So did you open the file and see the words?
No. No.
Can you remember them very fast? How can you
Đây là
do that?
Trình độ.
How can you do that?
No. Đây là trình độ.
Collection.
All right. All right, so let's go. Are you excited to learn about how to make rain? Yes or no? Are you excited to learn about how to make rain? Yes or no? Do you know where rain comes from? Heavy, do you know where rain comes from?
Bốc hơi.
No. Where? Where does it come from? Where does rain come from?
I don't know.
It comes from the river. Yes or no?
No.
It comes from the lake.
No.
It comes from the ocean.
No.
And it comes from your house.
No.
In your bathroom.
No.
Okay, it comes from your bathroom as well.
No.
Which means, meaning if there is water, then it will be raining. Okay.
No.
What about in the desert? Does it rain in the desert?
Yep.
Does it rain in the desert?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right, maybe we could ask Google to answer that question. Okay. Does it rain in the desert? So how can it rain? Because there's no water in the desert. Heavy. Is that hard to answer?
No.
Why does it rain when there is no water in the desert? Hmm?
I don't know.
So that is a hard question to answer, but you
Okay.
can ask Google to answer for you. Okay, let's go. Okay, now can you read about the water cycle? Okay, cùng đọc và biết về cơn mưa nào. How to make rain. Okay, what is a broken heart? My broken heart, my stupid heart. You know, I try to let you go.
Don't sing. You sing very bad.
So many times before.
Mi vẫn
Then
nhớ
we'll do
một
better.
video you hát cực kỳ là hay.
No, I'm singing very bad. I admit that.
Sorry, mi đã lưu.
I admit that, but I deleted the link out of my
Mi sẽ
YouTube
đăng cái
channel.
video đấy lên YouTube.
You cannot have it anymore.
But mi đã lưu video đấy trước khi you
Really?
start.
You saved it in your laptop?
Ê,
I think no, you didn't. You didn't save it in your
hãy
laptop.
cầu nguyện cho máy tính của con phải reset.
Okay, so let's read about the water cycle, how we have rain in our lives. Okay, read and find out about how we have rain. Okay, Abby? How we have rain. How we have rain. Okay, read, then you know. Go ahead, Heavy, the water cycle.
We read the water cycle over and over again. Water move from the ocean and river to the cloud. Then it fall on the land as rain or snow and move back into the ocean and river. Then the cycle begin again. The water cycle has four parts. The first part is evaporation.
Evaporation.
Evaporation when water is hot, it evaporation.
It
It mean
evaporates.
it evaporate. It mean
It
it
changes.
transform the liquid into a gas, cold water vapor and move into air.
Air. Không khí.
Yeah. The next part of water cycle is condensation. When water vapor get cloudy, it turns into small drops of water that become cloud. When the cloud becomes very heavy, they cloud. The next part of the water cycle.
Precipitation.
Rain and snow are two kinds of precipitation.
Precipitation.
The final part of cycle.
The final part.
Final is collection.
Collection. Dồn nhưng mà dồn addition người ta dùng.
Collection. Waterfall relation.
Precipitation. Cho rồi precipitation.
Go into earth and into river, lake and ocean. People use it water for drinking too.
So how many parts does the water cycle have? Heavy.
What?
After reading, can you answer my questions? How many parts? What are you drinking?
What? People
How many parts?
use water for drinking.
You need water to drink. Okay. And how many parts does the water cycle have? How many parts does the water cycle have? Find it. Where is the answer? In the text. How many parts does the water cycle have?
4.
Say the full sentence, please.
The water cycle has 4 parts.
Okay. Chu trình của nước nó có tới 4 phần ha. Alright, what is the first part? Cái phần đầu tiên là gì? Có 4 giai đoạn. Giai đoạn đầu tiên là gì? What is the first part? The first part is what is the first part? Cái giai đoạn đầu tiên là gì?
Evaporation.
Evaporation, đúng rồi, bốc hơi, bay hơi, evaporation. Okay. And the next part, what is the next part? Giai đoạn tiếp theo, what is the next part? Say the full sentence, please. The next part is
Water cycle.
no, the next part of the water cycle.
Condensation.
Yes, the next part of the water cycle is condensation. Okay. Alright, tiếp theo tới sự ngưng động của hơi nước. Okay, bốc lên xong tới ngưng động. And then, đây này hồi nãy con thầy có nói với con nè, nó là càng lên nó càng cold nè ha. It gets very cold and it turns into small drops of water. Alright, bởi vì nó lạnh quá nên những cái hơi nước này nó sẽ đông lại, nó tụ lại thành giọt nước. Alright, it turns into small drops of water. Okay, small drops of water. And what is the next part? Còn cái part tiếp theo thì sao? The next part is mấy có hai cái, còn cái ba đó. The third precipitation, đó chính là bước thứ ba, đó là trời bắt đầu mưa. Precipitation, that means it starts to rain. Okay, starts to rain. Precipitation. Okay, it's called precipitation. What is the final part? Your RAM part came in.
Yay.
All right. What is the final part of the water cycle?
Collection.
Collection. Okay.
Collection.
Yeah. Cuối cùng là nước lại được mưa xuống thì nước nó sẽ lại thu gom về hồ, sông và suối và tiếp tục lại bốc hơi, ngưng động rồi lại rớt xuống, nặng quá rớt xuống rồi lại bay vào hồ núi. Đó là 4 quy trình ha. Okay, you can see this. Okay, here. Rồi, vậy điền cho thầy được rồi đó. Heavy number 1. Bốc hơi. Evaporation. Good. Tiếp tục ngưng tụ lại thành giọt nước bởi vì nó lạnh, because it's very cold, so it turns into small drops of water. Ngưng tụ là gì? Good. Condensation. Okay. The next part. Bắt đầu mưa xuống. It starts to rain in this part. Starts to rain in this part. Precipitation. And the last part, it goes back into the river. It goes back into rivers, lakes, and oceans. Okay. Collection. The rain, the water, the rain goes back into the lakes, the rivers, and the oceans. Okay. Và tiếp tục nó lại bốc hơi lên tiếp. Evaporation starts again. Begins again. Okay. Right, answer the questions for me. Heavy, can you read the question and answer it?
Does it rain a lot where you live?
You live in Hanoi, so does it rain a lot in Hanoi?
No.
No, it doesn't rain in Hanoi. Now in Bình Dương, where I live, sometimes it rains very heavily. Okay, what about in Hanoi? It doesn't rain.
Yeah.
Okay. When do you know when it rains? In November. Do you know when it rains?
Ngày hôm qua.
Yesterday it rained. Okay.
Yeah, mưa được vài giây rồi hết.
And does it ever snow in Hanoi? I guess no. Does it ever snow in Hanoi?
Câu hỏi rất thú vị và rất là khó. Chúng ta cần phải tính toán lượng mưa bên Hà Nội,
I think
độ lạnh, độ
it never
nào hay là khá
snows.
thích nào.
It never
Đây là một
snows in
câu trả lời rất
Hanoi
là khó
and in
và
Bình Dương too.
một người tài giỏi như Heavy chắc chắn sẽ đưa ra một kết quả, đó chính là không.
It
Câu trả
never
lời là vâng.
snows in Hanoi and never snows in Bình Dương. So do you know where in Vietnam snow? Sapa, yeah, Sapa. Okay, snows. Okay, in the winter. I think in December. Okay. Number 2. Okay. This is one is a very interesting question. Can you answer it?
Wait.
Number
Hải Dương có gần Bình Dương không thầy?
Hải Dương mà gần Bình Dương. No.
Ok, Friday tuần này My sẽ xuống Villa Hải Dương.
This
Và
week.
cái villa đấy Mỹ đã làm một cái video về cái visa đấy trên YouTube. Just
Yeah.
go and like.
So yeah, so you're gonna make a video about
My chưa thấy you
Hải
like
Dương.
và bình luận video mới nhất của My, so Me report you.
Really?
Em chùa.
Okay, so I'm looking forward to your video
My gửi link.
in Hải Dương, huh? Go, number 2. Read the question and answer it.
Have you ever
Taste
ocean
it.
water?
Tasted.
Tasted ocean water.
It's very interesting. Yes or no?
Uh,
Have you ever drunk ocean water?
I don't know.
Never?
Maybe.
Have you ever drunk ocean water when you're swimming?
Maybe no.
No, you never. Okay. Hey, stop the video. I can hear your video. Hey, stop the video now. Heavy, you should study. Okay. Stop the video. Okay, and focus on your study. Okay. All right, so you never tasted ocean water. Okay, I have tasted ocean water before when I was swimming in the ocean. Okay, and I tasted ocean water. Okay, was it salty, Abby? Was it salty? Salt là muối, salty là mặn. Was it salty?
Nope.
Trời ơi, ocean water mà không salty thì nước gì salty? Orange juice hả?
I don't know. My camera salty.
Ocean water is salty. Okay. Nước biển thì phải mặn chứ is salty. Salty ngoài ra nó còn mang nghĩa là cây cú nữa. Ví dụ như con chơi game con thua một ai đó thì con thường hay cây cú thì con sẽ nói you are salty. Alright, next one. Is there a river near your home? Easy question. Is there a river near your home? What's happening?
Yep.
Yeah. What is the river? What is the river called? What is the river called?
Hồ Linh Đàm.
It's called Hồ Linh Đàm.
It's normal.
It's called Hồ Linh Đàm. Okay. Is it big or small? Large? Is it large?
Small.
It is small. So it's just a small river.
Small. Đối với những hồ lớn.
So what did you do when you got there?
Đi bộ xung quanh.
You walked around the river. You also
Yeah.
along the river.
Câu cá.
Okay, you can go fishing there.
Mỗi tội là không có con cá nào thoát khỏi được lưỡi câu của con, thế nên là nó di cư hết rồi.
You
Câu
are
mãi
good.
được vài con,
You're good
chắc
at
là do kéo
fishing.
lên.
All right, now can you read the picture A, picture 1 for me? Because of the water cycle. What's happening with your camera? Now it's shaking.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You are shaking in the camera. Look very cute. Number 1. Okay, now you start shaking again. Number 1.
Oh my rapper.
You start shaking again in the camera.
Okay.
All right, number 1. Now can you read number 1? I think you should buy a new
Why?
camera. You should buy a new camera.
No.
Number 1.
Camera này ở mid nó có bị sao đâu, tao chuyển sang đây nó lại bị sao.
Because you are shaking. Okay, number 1. Read the number 1. Because of the water cycle.
Và chắc mi. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, never mind with that. Can you read this one?
Because of the water cycle is
Possible. Có khả năng.
possible that we drink same water that dinosaur drank.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur.
Drank. Alright. Có khả năng là chúng ta đang uống một nguồn nước mà ngày xưa khủng long cũng uống ha. So, it's possible that we drink the same water that dinosaurs drank. Bởi vì nước nó cứ lên xuống như vậy, nước nó cứ luân hồi như vậy thì có khả năng ha. Next one. This one, the earth. Trái đất, the earth becomes
When water everyone from it
evaporates from it. The earth becomes dry. Trái đất sẽ trở nên khô cằn. When water evaporates from it. Khi mà nước bốc hơi hết ha. Next one, number 3. Steam. Hấp. Steam là hấp. Steam. Can you read this? Steam.
Wait.
Steam is one way to see.
The is one way to see water vapor.
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 Okay. Hấp nó là một cách để mà mình nhìn thấy sự bốc hơi của nước ha. Alright. One way. Nó là một cách. Alright. To see water vapor. Next one, number 4. Condensation nets.
Condensation net.
Catch. Continue.
Continue net catch water vapor when it get cold.
Okay. Những cái lưới này nó sẽ bắt được những cái hơi nước nè khi mà trời lạnh ha. Number 5. Snow falls. Tuyết rơi. Snow falls. Can you read the number 5? Snow falls.
Snowfall when water vapor change into ice. It in every cold weather.
Snow falls when water vapor changes into ice in the very cold weather. Khi mà thời tiết lạnh thì hơi nước nó sẽ đổi thành băng và từ đó sẽ có tuyết rơi. Next one. Ở Việt Nam mình chưa đủ lạnh ha, nên thành ra hơi nước nó bốc lên, nó chưa kịp đóng thành băng thì nó đã ra nước, nó bay, nó rớt xuống rồi. Rồi, number 6. People. people. Can you read the number 6?
People collect rainwater to use time when there are rain.
When there is less rain. Okay.
That's rain.
Mọi người sẽ hứng nước mưa để sử dụng trong những lúc mà trời không có mưa. Okay. When there's less rain. I think in the past people collected rainwater to use, but nowadays people don't use rainwater. Okay. But in the past they did use rainwater to do the washing. All right, that's it for today. Goodbye, shaking boy, and have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good evening. Bye-bye. Have a good evening, shaking boy.